Ethereum. I took a short on Ethereum. Now, why did I take a short on Ethereum? Well, I'll tell you why. So if you look at the 1 hour chart, actually, let's go to the higher time frame. On the higher time frame, you know I trade smart money concept, right, guys? So on the daily, wait, no, on the 4 hour daily, sorry, here's the daily. On the daily, this is an order block here. So we know that price reacting off of this, it was gonna sell off. It was potentially gonna sell off because this was a strong area of resistance because this was a daily order block. So price has been selling off ever since. If you go down to the 4 hour now, doesn't really give us much information. But let's go down into the 1 hour. So if you go down into 1 hour, what I saw here was that there was an order block here on the 1 hour chart. Can you see this? This is the 1 hour order block. Price tapped into it, sold off, broke support. So this was one order block here, 1 hour order block here, and then price broke support again twice. So two breaker supports. Now this one was enough. An impulsive move, retraced back, sold off, and then it did the exact same thing again. Impulsive move, broke up, and the good thing about it was that there was like this line here. Now for all the retail traders, they would have seen this as like maybe like a resistance line. So once price broke it, grabbed the liquidity that was above it, and then in respect to that order block, I was looking for short entries. So what I did was that I went down into the 1 minute time frame. I was waiting for price to pull back. So I saw price sell off, and I wanted it to pull back, and it was around 4 o'clock that it pulled back, and I got my entry. Now I actually entered at a tighter entry. This is where I entered. I entered a little bit tighter, and I set my stop loss just above this area here, because to me, this was the invalidation point. If price broke above this, then the trade is no longer valid. So, but I shared while I was typing, when I entered, I was typing it, and by the time I typed in my entry, it had already moved down a little bit, but it was still a good trade. So I shared it on the group. Now, see, it's a matter of inches, isn't it, with this? Because my trade, if it hits take profit, will be an 18R trade. Yours is going to be a 7, but it's only because it took me a while to type the trade into the Discord. But that's just kind of how it goes sometimes when you're trading on a lower time frame. But I do expect it to break equal lows, and that will be a good trade if it breaks equal lows. So I'm guessing my take profit is going to be hit pretty much by the time this stream is over, because I'm still in this trade, just waiting for it to just break this equal lows. But yeah, I'm in a short and just waiting for it to break. Really, those are the ones I'm looking at. I'm looking at Euro USD. I'm looking for a sell off on Euro USD. I'm waiting for a pullback, but I'm looking for a sell off in Euro USD. I'm waiting for Ethereum to break this low. I'm waiting for Euro USD to hopefully pull back one last time so I can get a short entry. And GBP JPY. What I want to see on GBP JPY is I want to see a sell off down to here. What's it? I want to see a sell off down to here, and then maybe a reaction. That's what I want to see from here. Are there any stocks you guys are looking at right now, or not stocks, forex pairs that you guys are looking at? All the other ones, GU is selling off quite crazily right now. If you can find a short entry, that's good, but it's selling off so much that it's like you need to. I said I'd wait. Of this website, oh, this is TradingView. This is TradingView. It's a good site to just do some chart analysis on. A lot of people use it, and you can get a free version, or you could even get a paid version that has a lot more different functionalities, like replay tools, so you can replay trades and stuff like that. Well, yeah, they're not paying me, so I'm not going to carry on with this. But yeah, TradingView. Try TradingView. Euro USD selling off. Okay, so what I saw on Euro USD was that this is what I actually saw today. I saw Euro USD. This is very speculative. I don't know if this would actually happen, because I'm not really looking. I don't think it'll be wise to take a long in this current market condition. So actually, let me delete that. But I did see that there was this line here, which was like basically like a line where there was lots of liquidity. Once again, price broke through it, took over the liquidity, and then it came to this order block here before selling off. So I wouldn't actually take a long, because that's kind of stupid given the current market conditions. So the short would have been taken around here, but there's no real movement right now that you can take advantage of. But what I would like to see tomorrow, if it happens, is that if price breaks these new lows, I would like to put order block here, then I'll wait for a retracement, and then I'll short. I'll just wait and find where the order block is. You with me, guys? But yeah, I'm not looking at too many stuff. Sticking to that Ethereum short, and then what other ones? Oh yeah, gold. Let's look at gold because gold's been killing it on gold. The way I look at gold slightly differently to other people. Like gold, I like to look at it from levels to levels because it respects levels a lot. Like for example, as you can see here, this was the previous high. The previous high, it came, broke through, and it came and touched it again. So you want to look at levels. So whenever I look at gold, I'd be marking up something like I'd go back into previous, like really go back, and I'd look at, okay, where's the previous high? That's a high there. That's a high there. This is quite far back, but they might still be relevant. You never know. So I'm marking all these different levels that gold has respected previously, and then I'm gonna go and see how prices reacted off of those levels near in current day. And lo and behold, look at that. Like, wait, let me do this again. Let me do this more neater. This currency data web. What? I'm sorry. I'm not sure what you're talking about. So then something like that. Something like that. Okay, cool. So these are all like previous levels. Can you see here? I've marked up all these previous levels here. Yeah. And let's see how if anything, gold has responded to those levels in current day. Obviously, I've marked this one up as well because this is a level because can you see here? So it obviously reacted off of here, reacted off here, reacted off here. So there is something to this level. It even pulled back to this kind of near this level today, and then it's gone back up again. But gold is bullish. Let's be real. Let's not beat around the bush. Gold's bullish. You just need to find a way to, once there's a pullback, you'd want to find a way to catch along in a place that would make sense. Like if I think a good place to have taken along would be somewhere like here. But anyway, yeah, you just have to play the levels. Right now we're going into no man's land, but I can see gold breaking all-time highs in the next week or two, to be honest, because right now, once again, the order block that gold has been respecting, I've been saying the same thing for the last couple of weeks, but has been this order block. So unless something crazy happens, I think gold is poised for all-time highs before the end, within the next week, 2 weeks. Now it's a matter of, okay, we know the direction. Let me remove all these drawings. There's too much going on. We know the direction, which is half the battle. So we got directional bias, which is bullish. Now, how do we find the entry? So the entry, and we want it to, well, the target is equal highs. Now we got the target and we know the directional bias. We're just looking for pullbacks now. Now we had a good pullback today actually, but you never know it's a pullback until after it's played out because most people panic and they won't want to get in. But that's where you want to get in. You don't want to be getting in like here because then you just don't know where to move your stop loss to. But so we've had one pullback today. Maybe look for another one. But gold's parabolic, so let's be real. Like it's going up. So target is 2076. Where do we enter? What we're looking for now is that we'd be looking for something like, I don't think we're going to get too many big pullbacks anymore now. So we just need to be looking at for stuff like that. And even those small ones on a low time frame, that's where we'd want to get entries. You have to be really like good trader to really get entries in those. This is just me guessing working, but like once price action starts moving and starts giving us moves, then we can go down into low time frame and see where we can get entries. But if you did get a good entry, yeah, I'd say target equal highs, to be honest. Ethereum broken through my take profits. Take profits hit. Yay! Take profits hit. All right, guys. So yeah, that's sweet. All right, guys. So yeah, it's Any, aka TheNocTrader, signing out.
Interested in seeing our trades live as they happen? By joining the A1 Trading Discord, you'll get a notification every time one of our traders enters a position. Each trade we share comes with an entry price, a stop loss, and most importantly, a full breakdown of why the trade was taken. Learn alongside our experienced traders, join our active chat room, and ask your questions in our coaching webinars. Between our team of active traders, we trade forex pairs, commodities like gold and oil, crypto, and stocks. By joining the group, you'll be able to keep up with all of it. Sign up today using the link in the description, and don't forget to use our promo code listed below for a special subscriber discount. Thanks for watching, and see you inside.